Hihi mugomo wa madagitari wiho kana ca ni kiuria kiria Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha aregire gucokia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya ugima wa mwiri na kwaga kuheana anja o yothe. Ona gukiri uguo kiama kia madagitari bururi-ini ni kieyumiritie na kuga ni kirikitie kuheana notithi ya mugomo wa bururi kwambiriria muthenya wa umuthi ni thutha wa kwaga uiguano gatagati ka thirikari nene na madagitari bururi-ini.
He is afraid of his waziri whether we are asking whether the strike is on or not. I'm asking because that's what you are afraid of. Now I'm asking.
Minista uyu ni anirire ati ni gubangitwo gikaro gatagati ka minista wa kigina na kuria ministry yanirire kuheana bilioni 2 wiki yukite kwa kuhura njeki sector-ini ya ugima wa mwiri.
In my morning meeting with the Treasury, with the Cabinet Secretary for Treasury and the Principal Secretary, we have agreed on how the payments should flow, and he has assured me this week that by end of next week we'll get some amount. We have agreed on staggered payments so that we can be able also to meet our obligations.
Nakhumicha oho ni eranire ati ministry yake ni gwika uria engihota gukinyaniria motungata mega ugima-ini wa mwiri guku bururi-ini.
And number 3 is the availability of health workers. And I think that is what we are dealing with at the moment. We have to ensure that health workers are available in the public sector. What we have at the moment is we have a shortage, and that we must confront as a country, and especially this committee that is in charge of healthcare. We must confront that we have a shortage of health workers. And that is one of the reasons that has put us in the quagmire that we are in right now with the intern. So we must see how do we raise resources to ensure that public facilities have commodities, have equipment.
Handu-ini ha Muthiki TV, getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.